Alright, so I got a package in the mail today. I don't know what all's in it. I know one item that's in it. It's going to be Looms, so let's see here. I'm going to open it up. Okay, these are all a bunch of Looms from Knit UK. I've got their S Loom. Oh, that's so cool, and it came with a couple stitch markers. Like, how cool is that? That is awesome. I like the packaging for it. I mean, it's simple. I like the fact that they gave me like a little goodie. Of course, I got my knitting hook. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, wow. Okay, I got their long loom set. Now, if you're familiar with the Knit UK looms, they have these extra pegs to where you can change the gauge up. Now, this long one, the peg's already in there, and that is awesome, because that's going to make it so much easier. I don't have to put them all in. And these, it looks like they kept the collars the same as like the Nifty Knitter set. So that's really cool. Quick reference. Oh, and they look like they're made well too. I got a book, it looks like. Oh, no, these are just little flyers. Okay, it's just little flyers, shows their information. That's cute. Alright, let me see what else. Whoa, there's still more stuff in here. The flower loom, it comes with a hook. Ooh, it's a green one in this one. That one has a hook in it too. Haha, plenty of hooks. That's a flower loom. That's really cute. Okay. Alright, let me see what else. I can feel more stuff in there. Oh, I got a box. Ooh, it's a round set. That's cool. Huh. It's neat how it comes. And this one, again, it looks like they kept the collars the same as the Nifty Knitter sets, so that that'll make a really nice reference. And I'm running out of room. I gotta move. Okay, now I gotta move the box. This is a big box. Let's see, is there anything else in it? Just dump it. Oh, that was it. Awesome. Okay, I am so excited about all of these. So I got their flower loom. I got their long loom set, which first appearance, it feels to be made very well. Great. I've got their S loom and the circle loom, which this one I'm going to go ahead and open up. I can't really see exactly what. This is kind of a neat little box for it. Oh, okay, the box was just kind of decorative and it comes still in that same package. That's so cute. And these are nice. I can just hang them up and store all my parts in them. Okay, I'm definitely excited about this. And I like the fact that all these looms, the pegs are pink, because then I know which looms I've put in. So I think that's actually a really neat feature. Okay, so excited. I'll do individual videos for each of these looms once I get a chance to really sit down and look at them. But my first impression, I'm really excited, and I cannot wait to get started. Yay!